Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Hole, Polar Pattern, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the views and the dimensions of the drawing. In step 1, we sketch the bottom profile with the holes on XY plane, and we create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Select the centered rectangle and then sketch with a given dimension at the origin. Activate the Fillet tool and select the edges and then set the fillet radius to 16 millimeters. Select all fillets and then constrain them equal. Now, assign the dimension. Next, we sketch for circles with a diameter of 11 millimeters. First, sketch a centered rectangle and then convert the edges to construction lines. Now, sketch the circles at the corner of the rectangle. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Edit the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 16 millimeters. In step 2, we sketch the circle profile on the top of the created part and then we extrude it by 50 millimeters. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 50 millimeters. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Elect the sketch and extrude it by 50 millimeters. In step 3, we create the upper rectangular part on the cylinder. Select the top surface of the cylinder and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch again the centered rectangle. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters to the corners. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 12 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we have to create a hole with a diameter of 36 and 25 millimeters. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a circle with any dimension. Don't worry about the dimension of the circle. Next, select the sketch and activate the Hole tool. First, select the counterbore head type option. Now set the head diameter to 36 millimeters and for the depth to 6 millimeters. The lower hole has a diameter of 25 millimeters and the depth type is through hole. In step 5, we create the rib with a thickness of 10 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Next, activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Now, sketch the rib profile with the polyline tool. Due to the round profile of the cylinder, sketch the rib profile some millimeters inside the cylinder. Trim unnecessary edges with the Trim tool. Now, the sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Now, we create the other 3 ribs with the Puller Pattern tool. Select the last pad or rib and then activate the Puller Pattern tool. Set the option Base Z-axis and change the occurrences to 4 ribs. The last step is to add a fillet with a radius of 2.5 millimeters. Activate the Fillet tool and select the edges and then set the fillet radius to 2.5 millimeters. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.